Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da,
Hello
da,
everybody.
da. Making
Today
our
what we're going to be
Christmas-
doing, we're going to be making Hershey's fudge. Alrighty. This here is the old-fashioned fudge, folks, that your mom used to make. Tomorrow's video we'll be doing a little bit easier one. This one here you need to have a candy thermometer really. But tomorrow's it'll be super easy. Alright, there's what all we're going to need. You're going to need milk, Hershey's cocoa, that's vanilla, there's some butter, and there's salt. Alright, and there's sugar. We definitely got to have sugar for this. Now take your cocoa and pour in there. That was 3 cups of sugar. Now it's going to be 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. There we go. And the recipe for this will be in the description. I'll make sure it's put in there. Daniel will make sure it's put in there. Like I said, this fudge here is a little bit time consuming. If you need to have fudge real quick, tomorrow's recipe will be the one to go to. And it's got a different texture and everything. Now this here fudge here, if you're needing to ship it somewhere to a loved one, it would probably be the one to make to ship, because you can leave it sitting out and it's not going to melt. But now tomorrow's, it would probably after a little bit start melting. Alrighty, we're just mixing that all together good and everything. You can see we've added the milk. Alrighty, put your candy thermometer in there now, folks. Just make sure it ain't plumb touching the bottom down there. You need to have a little bit of room between the bottom and the bottom of the thermometer. Now we're going to let it get up to the softball stage, 234 degrees. And you notice we've stopped stirring. Just let it sit there and let the temperature rise up. And then once it gets to 234, remove it from the heat immediately. There, the camera's fogging up. Alright, now it got to 234, pull it over to the side, And now what we're going to do, you just take your butter and just drop it down in there. Lord, folks, don't get that on your fingers. It'd burn you up. And now we're going to add our vanilla. We're just going to leave it alone now until it gets down to 110 degrees. Just let it sit there and start cooling. Alrighty, it got to 110. We start stirring it now. Whew, it's thick. Alrighty. Start stirring it up there. Alrighty, after you've stirred it for a while there, it'll lose a little bit of its shininess. Just pour right there then into a 8x8 bowl pan with parchment paper so it don't stick, and then just let it sit there. Now, I didn't know how this would turn out, folks. It's been rainy weather for the past couple days, and usually rainy weather and fudge don't mix. A lot of your candy making it don't mix. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And if you think your friends may like some of this stuff, let them know about us. You all have a blessed day, and we'll be seeing you soon.